Is your UE Wonderboom 3 playing hard to get? Not turning on? You're not alone. Stick around because we're diving deep into this little powerhouse, and I'll share the ultimate fix if yours is acting up. First off, unboxing the Wonderboom 3 is a breeze. It's compact, feels incredibly durable, and the design is just fun. This speaker is clearly built for adventure, ready to go wherever you do. This tiny titan boasts 360-degree sound and impressive bass for its size. We put its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating to the test, and wait until you see this. It floats. Battery life is solid, giving you hours of tunes. While there isn't a complex app, pairing is super simple. You can even double up with another Wonderboom 3 for stereo sound. Performance-wise, it delivers clear audio, perfect for outdoor jams or just chilling at home. Pros: it's incredibly portable, rugged, and sounds great for its size. Cons: the bass isn't room-shaking, and it uses micro USB, not USB-C. Overall, I'd give the UE Wonderboom 3 a solid 8.5 out of 10. So, buy or skip. If you need a durable, portable, and fun speaker, this is a definite buy. And for that not turning on issue, often it's just a simple reset. Hold the power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds. Did this help you? Let me know in the comments, subscribe, and share for more tech reviews.